discipline ain't accepting no defeat. Put that on my spirit, yeah, that's happy. Ain't no messing with this Virgo energy. Come get this heat. Cause I'm a boss, I'm a hitter, I'm a certified go-getter. Take a shot, I ain't missing this.
So now we are taking the plastic off and starting the DJI Pocket 3 review. It is going to be English when we open up. You can set your settings to what you like. There is going to be a QR code that pops up there to make it easy for you to connect to download the app. They do have an app themselves where it will just jumpstart that for you. So I went ahead and downloaded the app as soon as I got the QR code, not before. And then it's basically just going to have you do some basically rules and regulations, licensing, policy, and we're just going to skip through that and connect. Alright, now we are connecting it to the Wi-Fi and it should be popping up. Right now it is showing us the tabs on the DJI Pocket where it's showing it has no SD card, but you can see that it is trying to access the microphone. We are going to be setting it up so that I connect to the library, but it should be popping up the camera right now that's going to reflect through the phone. And we're just moving around the cursor a little bit so that you can reflect And then we're actually just gonna turn it towards ourselves so that you can see me in the review. This is me trying to figure it out with one finger, but we finally got it to reflect on me here. Okay, so this is the DJI Pocket 3, and I am going to be testing it. I am technically driving, well, about to be driving right now, so I am just going to get some like additional shots, and I can't wait to vlog with it because it's so cute and so portable. Like, it's just so cute. So I just want to make sure I get some outside shots, just kind of test it around. So like, let's turn it around right now. So we're just gonna get some outside shots. All right, I can't wait to vlog.